say Ghana Insight. Na Ghana Insight yɛn na wonim sɛ nsɛm ne trending issues a ɛkɔ social media so ɛne atam ɛne asesɛm yɛapepa mu korɔgyen ɛne asɔ ne so ɛde ba bɛsom na abusua member sɛ bɛkasa bebree no medi ɛde cross and die so mankasi yɛhwɛ video no bi mmra yɛba me wɔ nsɛm ka kyerɛ wo
ɛyɛ garbage ɛyɛ bola koraa bola nneɛma na moyɛ no bola Don't Africa for your padishia. And to ten biano, we jumped to conclusion. You be air qua, ye pebibi a be bonipano, ye pebibi a be bonipano, a dear be pano feel sad. Now me, what is your money? Me, I'll take you through the legal process. That's one thing I'm good at. I will take you through the legal process. Now, when you say you were civil cases, be bregu quarter, and you pay chiungs car, be catch you. Meti hey. Na enye bibia me de ba be yima no e wo court se sa me dey see na me post to me page. I was responding to things na night with worker, so I had to post them. And I asked her to bring me di oka so the best start a fight na me di na them me di ni kuna them. So I asked the say one foul no so ne dey meto ho because one found by you have a problem. That means what about attack you be? What about sharing nudity? Mrakwan so no, mramma ho kwan. And what would you should be no? Say me was sika no, me was time na me find information. Ebedu obia so within that point. Then a kasiye dan say, waka obia sa wodi na deja bana. Me de mrakwan for so no de omo ana omo ye champions so me de mrakwan so no so de me de afaso. Bebre kwa translations so baby ana ma wo so akọ. Nti ebeba abrochire mra eye boko ehiti ye say bang now you say case na wie ye ntie wano asem because every evidence and everything they need to actually deal with the particular criminal case has been settled. Enti me no wo ye ade na sabe maka e wa ha me evidence maka so me dey call police station na wo TB unhu bi but one for the anko police station you have a problem. You have a problem. Me patcho me state TB. There is no video, no audio, no cash withdrawal, no evidence. Morda de bar. A bit me say akushia say why a case for court. And a bit me say broni a case for court. That part is sorted, done and dusted. Reason for appeal is say omoka so once yase. The reasoning here yanje omo a photocopy marriage certificate no antum. And I know some be video actually I think it's the last 2 weeks. Say ube to kwaya babruchi. Na yemfane say uko the visa. Jama me be pomano. Jama me be pomano. We have me our account me fiso. Then so 10 minutes pay. Maybe 2 coin. This is my Canadian passport. So maybe 2 coin. Let's see. And here I'm cover. Okay, I'm cover and say. So the Canadian passport in here. So me baby 2 coin. Now my yes idea we photocopy. Me ye photocopy na ne photocopy ni kura na me de nam airport to airport. Does it make sense? Does it make sense, Anna? Photocopy na me de yabano. Yes, me nkofa passport na nkasa mechire wo. This is where the problem is. What the photocopy na ba? For passports na nkasa because passports are issued by an institution, which is the Canadian government. And you know, it says here, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Canada requests in the name of His Majesty the King, all those whom it may concern to allow the barrier to pass freely without delay or hindrances, and to afford the barrier such assistance and protection as may be necessary. This passport is the property of the government of Canada. It may not be altered. You must take every precaution to safeguard it. No matter what French. And me do kuro bi so me kura photocopy. Does it make sense to you? If I have the original, and me claim some the original on the back court to put no more photocopy and the file here. See for original bra. You know original no. This is where Akosia Sewa's appeal is about. And what amended a little bit of the statement, what amended, which is legally right. Ubetimi asesa wano asem ewo court emrama ho kwan. Sasa wano asem se waka bibi na answer well with you. Na later I find this oh asem ya meka ye de bi na ntesa me dwifi ye ba makai. Court be ma ho kwan sasa. But ye bisa o se for photocopy no. For original ne bra. No 1 year one farm ba. Epacho okwa appeal 10,000 years. Any lawyer that tells you otherwise is just taking your money and eating it. Me don't yame. That lawyer is just collecting your money and eating it or disturbo fucking. Or disturbo fucking. Because you cannot go to the bank and show them photocopy for them to help you. Abrochre away. Me want me documenting now on my phone so. Na me koji me phone chip because recently ombre me 3,000 1,007 plus 1,000 2,700 bill for telephone. Me the ombre 1,600 krona. Me the ombre me 900 close to 1,000 krona. And I me see and I me cancel company no. Until me koji another company. Me show me ID on my phone. These idiots told me to drive back to my house and bring an actual physical copy of my passport. Omo anje me ID no. I want me phone so because they needed the actual tender. Na omo ankasa take your photocopy. Ansa na ye adwuma. Eno ani sesi akosia se wa case na ekoso no. Morda odi bibi ba. Odi bibi ba. No beka say, akosia say what can he say? Akosia say what can he say? First of all, akosia say what ni odo broni ni court because of nneema and crofo decide yes so mudi omo pebeye. Then be ameka sa asem we chiro. Akosia say what has not legally given anybody power of attorney to represent her. Sa no odo broni so mo biara legal power of attorney to represent her. Enti some kwasi asem bi kwaso a ene akosia sewa ukọ court a wo na ebechew wo na wagimi wo na wagimi ebechew ye nchi akosia sewa because there is no legal agreement between you and akosia sewa from kwasi asem a obedi ye ni nyina no akosia sewa ma wo power of attorney and power of attorney mind you cannot be given to 10 people. It's only given to one person at a time. And he say Siano, I could just say one more power of attorney for this month. The next month we'll choose another person. Yours is null and void. It doesn't hold any legal standing. And yet you might be. And it's what could dim kwasi sembi. No feel say and then bedi mami ye china mama bre and then bedi mami ye china mami ye say me patch off for nyan satina. Me patch off for nyan satina. Legally reliable for your stupidity. Ana. And it's in a me. Night which me Jimmy for be post two me naked pictures and me the court yeah the police case. They are no shame the juma matter yet the juma musu me report man the juma for because I say odo broni am be frame me say me be work of shibra wa ha. The other man no me ex. Me partner ne ex-wife or no kura sa paper na ya report in 2024 enti ono no you reliable to answer to me first enti ono na me di kan Emma police for one corner so with the letter. Answer na me send you be out to their police station. Into police one wahano me sure other letters including their filing case. Into me sure letter ma Italian police the filing case ne so said case no one no way. Hano originally no sa pictures ni free. Munshi adio. Now, not just the legal aspect, but the spiritual aspect. So be better because until I may have because then me come and say, "Adi me then one me find you be." And as encophobia be so. This is one of the reasons I don't have patience. But me tell us and nipa bet me nipa nanti nipa boni say why? Because me no one namwa and you may be menye. I'm doing well. And you might be blaming it is so we be chemia, not the shock because if I choose to be your friend, it means that I've opened up myself to you. So every small thing you do, no, it hurts me. Oh yeah, me be ube feel say but me, it hurts me. Because if you kind of love na me no be far down from me nyama me need me you say. Into you me say me be fool. Because men tia say that say I didn't na beti me say but me mean to me nyosa na me dey bufu akasa and this is me but sir say yeko enkura no mom no beti me nya asem sa akosia say what begin say all pursue case no with the breach of verbal agreement, breach of privatization, sharing of her information and her details which were given to her in accordance with when they were working together. Oko company bim na okoye adwuma nese wo jai company no now the company ni secret eba out the company has every right to sue you in court. I'm telling you the gospel truth and this is the truth. The company now wo jai adwuma wo ho no wo di omo secret apie no that company has every right to sue you in court. You cannot just be talking to me whilst you're working together on secrets and things. And because I said the company has laid you off and get you no both no one release the company trade secrets. Hey, you bet what to JB o man follow your one answer. Who follow your one answer. Who na who support you na who pushing your dream. You will be part or and subject to this stupidity through a lawsuit. So mun function with Jimuna, adwini bi enim na school bi enim no. Mun function on any day a breach of agreement because say they agreed at that time say me the way it was an agreement and your data. It was an agreement. So Obiba information, details be on BBA. Firstly, you're breaching that agreement you had with them. What I say your verbal agreement and now say your written agreement, you know, something transpired before the person shared with you their personal detailing or their information. And nipa not share with you, no. One can't suffer you cannot legally do that free without any repercussion. Say men are the media but over court for breach of agreement, breach of friendship, breach of agreement, and misstating you won't me create you and because I'm but misstating everything, the degradation, the insult, the disgracing, the inferring, because it is your word against my word. And it was an agreement we had as of that time to lie together. Yes, yeah, dear. Additionally, people with residence permits for 15 years, 20 years are being kicked out of Europe. They're taking them home. When you leave one company and restart with another company, companies trade secrets that were with you. You cannot legally share them because you can't go to jail for all that. Legally. A civil case of breach of contract, verbal contract, sharing and exposing secrets that were shared by two people in accordance and agreement as of that time friendship. So if there is no more friendship, now you choose to go out, you can walk out without sharing. If you do share any person pursue, you can't go to jail. You can't be charged. Everything can work against you. So fast your head will spin around like you're going crazy. There are certain lines you don't cross. And there are certain things you don't do. Like I said, nokre eye back home. I will stick with the truth, and I would always stick with the truth with people. But I knew maybe na u pushy, na o je, na u pushy, na ye catch out, your bet show crown of Becanyas as much of you know, West FM because you feel so a champion, you get into deep shit. Obe get into deep shit. Mepacho, don't ever in your life tell me what to teach on my page. Don't fucking ever in your life leave me a message to tell me what to teach. I am not paid by no fucking person for you to tell me so I shouldn't come and teach that. Are you fucking crazy? Are you stupid? Did I go to school for you? Did you pay for my school fees? I don't know where you're not as someone made sure, not just about mother, but everything I made sure. Why are you sending me this stupid message? Please, I'm blocking the crime and Jimmy for when Jimmy Wabra, Mukasa, me one more time from Quasiasem, one Quasiade. My God, just I mean, you'll be happy so. I didn't Quasiasem no. Me better now, I may say, and then may try Jimmy, Quasiam paying. Mudia Obinson entry me, dear Kansam, say, Mammy. Me and your mom bets me the aquarana to trouble. Am I not teaching the laws? Laws ne a come back from young family banco jail. Yam bisa micronon cancham or no cram ran a betchina mamma naco jail. Then you want to up issue a chimney was ya de denny a chimis and baby. When you said ye dema what is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. From Jimmy and son was ya semono. A dear Jimmy Summer. Why would you come and tell me some mamma? Mama, as in, who are you? Why don't you go and on your life and teach what you want to teach? I didn't know about Mama Chirono. Obi ya born in a year, Usum Mayenka, Yabaka, Yenye. Yabaka, because I'm telling you the truth. Obi no wash details. Obi amount details, information. As of that time, we need to juma. We none of my agree some money. Why are one in away from group room? Yapamu asked, make us share trade secrets. Emra say, oh yeah, let me actual. Nipa met me no what so atu nye jimi no na me go school amobia nya na odi me go school me papa bu me say me go school na papa sorry ya bu me ase ya me go school na won ka ho are you fucking stupid pasia de kwa bekiro na ye dien ye wo ma me shasidi nonsense unya isa de na nye good obi ya de na nye ubetimi aka me nka me de mra na ekira de asema me kan wo he emra e na me ekire wo free company na sa wo de company ni trade secret e ko ba bia company ni timi kama ye chew eno ani asema me ka kire enti wo free company bi mu a enko seneche enko din konkonsa because company ne pom betimi ama ya chew wa wo sika ko tue bi for lawyer don't come and stress me here. Me kura se ma me ma app no so da me siso Mambe shemi ebufun kama brabo pacho. I will pick one by one or question and now waka na uwia na wesi no be fufura ba me pacho obana be di matama kai hunu say abetaviale page ni o be di watembi uwia masen abodua pe wo so enya me na me de mra na ba ye mra na beto ye na me kan bi enti no emra na da ho I'm just showing you say ade a wo ya emra na betimi akekere wo na ni mpacho ba nso na de we kire a wa mi tu ho kakra bi ama me sere me pacho obi wo question obi bi so betimi ebisa ya ni no ya be hwehwe no online yeshia let's see Clemente mpacho betimi ebisa first question why, Pacho.
Oh, and your question I said, a contribution and best of my mouth. Maybe say, yeah, you're absolutely right. 2 weeks ago when this happened, I told a friend of mine, said, the other party has the ever right to serve a Baba way. But
this so. Approaching for no.
Hey, Pacho.
It's not what the Omubamu claiming.
Pacho Kasao, sorry.
yeah, the country say a Baba way, Mammy way, or whatever right said to serve a Baba way. And yes, say war may camp, said me know a better your one camp. Now there was some detailed vital secret go on and can me know me front chair. No ma ko baby ma kuku ye PSA any no, you can never ever do that. Yes, almost say I mean Ghana they have given a lot of people platform. Sebi onim nothing about what is going on in this modern world. Work with J baby because of which make MPP platform Sintino, which make a platform Bias or cut the open beer. No, you can't do that. You cannot do that. You bet you will say yes.
You can be sued.
Me say efas anyama no. Uko recording me Mr. Bafu no be recording me say den anuka ho me no we gente enne udi okwa pontena I can see you. Me kasa say me yakubu no yes anyama ya me see you no. I will never forgive you. And yes, will be for Quaco. No. Ghana de too much. And yes, you fan chair. No. I don't go by that kind of BS. Yeah. Winning no Coco ye. Winning Pefe. You are releasing this information step by step. No, Brimako Genechi. Oh, Metro lawyer a yamon. No. I mean, dear woo push a crona cum no Coco ye na nuka wono. Wouldn't say in Brabio, what didn't a chief compro say, go for lawyer man and no, they can see you too. A year bring me a near beer, and she cheers a numa. Into the witch
me the videos and then Nyama with more words at the consume.
Yeah, I can't because
a party to case or more young a party to subject.
Yeah, Brandon, you want to court. That's it, that's what we want. Brandon, you want and yeah. The witch channel, absolutely right. Never say the right case now. Open point out is Yano. Obi on Tias Yano. Ebi a send back on a town for or town.
You know any business, not my business.
Yeah, business.
Emrani me a damn fool.
Debbie.
The laws does not have a friend.
Yeah, Debbie.
Oh, yeah, judge Kurana as some betua. You might get into trouble. That's one thing you should understand. You're creating Mrano send a beya inipa bediso. Na Mrano so eni ho a anka nsem bebrebe timi atoto yen. Enu ntimi ye de Mrano ayeden ato ho na e protect you obia. Se omuma obia we free yechi enode yen nsem bekwa. Enke ye ni peace a lot of death enenam kwan so. And in order to stop that, they choose to bring laws that prevents that. And in and some be home, nessa free company na the court will not even hold it in high standard because say it can be stated say based on your pains with this particular company, you fabricated evidence in, and it won't be accepted. Until be ye biano, as I said, ode nyansa kakra etso ennuama ho. Say enye bibia beka bia na ebe den. Yebeje everyone. Mpacho comment me dance pa mpacho nyoko next. Scorpion Queen. Mpacho wa sembisa na. Okay, oni asembisa ebi oboso ene yesay. Enti me pacho he loves daddy. He loves daddy pacho bibika. Okay, ebi ono so boso. Ene bedaha. Enti me pacho. This is how the laws work. The laws does not allow everything, every utterances. Oh, na me ne boy we wo ho. And a time na me ne wo ho no. Na me ne da na film wo ye. Me ja no wa ye me bibi bone. Me de compacho mra becho. Emra becho. Na me ne we wo ho. And na wo ye criminal nneoma we me pacho wo de kono. Emra ne becho wo first as a party to that illegal nonsense now yeah. Don't think so they call we a song. According to some armed robbery. Na evidence be anywhere where I bet you be. Now what's a crow Yesu Christo demons in Jimmy say Bible no say Holy Spirit to say for evidence no come out 1 year fancy. Because as a would they continue, who feel say be out the quaw be free there be a very reduced sentence now. But the bet you. The legal word they would use is for cooperating with the police in order for us to close this case. Your sentences have been reduced, not cleared, not closed. It will be reduced. And you know, you will pay for what you did. And sanaya twaso. And to patch what you say. Be anywhere elephant queen whatever ba. Ebesisa. Mama akusia say wa case anodo broni case bibie ni ho mo de beba ebesesa bibie na ekoso. Hi dear, I'm good, yourself. Bibie ni ebesesa no bibie nsesa no de akona court de ba first na ye twon manso no no ana da ho dia ayi team legal for the ko biem say omo nti ase say omo appeal no yanji antu no enu ano eguso da honom enti me ba cho bibi enu esesa
Madase se wo je bre na wonya bre na o de hwe video ni nyina message say aha aye Ghana Insight, subscribe na like na share se de be ya video bi a beto ntentan video no so a onya ntiase no ye post wo hase ya ntiase no bibia obenya bi na wati na wonsa aka. Subscribe, like na share, comment na notification bell no so boso se de be ya bibia ba ya wonso wonya bi na wahwe makra mmiri at the cross and die so man kese medasi
Ghana Inside yo.
Ghana Insight.
Ghana Inside TV. The wo pet channel papa, wo YouTube. Na subscribe na like na share.